Good morning, everybody. Well, today we're going to be approaching the 90-degree mark. It's getting well over 100 degrees in our high tunnel. So today's video is going to be putting on a shade cloth on your high tunnel. We'll show you how easy that is. You can put it on in a matter of minutes, so let's go ahead and get on it. All right, well, the first thing we got to have here to do this job is we got a couple tennis balls in one of Delia's socks, and have yourself, we're using curtain cord that we're going to need, and we're going to throw it over the top of the high tunnel, and then we'll attach it to our just like putting on plastic or whatever. You just got to have, she's going to find the end, and from there we'll be good. So we need to just pull it over the top. And I just have one string. If you want to get multiple tennis balls and do it, you know, two people pulling, if you have more labor, that's fine. For Delia and I, we just do one side at a time, and we'll pull the other side over in a minute. We'll throw the ball over a second time. But putting on a shade cloth, this is 50% shade. It does well for our tomatoes and our bell peppers and cherry tomatoes, so, and lettuces. So pretty much it's a good all-around shade. So let's put that on. We'll come back to you. You can stay with us. Okay, hey, let's see how I do throwing the tennis ball. Not yet. You got it? You got a hold of it? There we go. First time. All right. Go ahead and start pulling it down. That's where the tennis ball is. She's gonna pull it. Now Delia, hold on one second. Let me come around here. I'm the guider. My job is not allow it to go, so keep pulling. Stay to the front. Hey Delia. Well, walk over this way more because it's gonna go that way. Yeah. I'm just telling you. There you go. You got a hold of it now. Okay, you're free to pull now. Walk to the front more. Walk all the way outside. All right. There we go, we're almost there. Hold on one second, I'm going to attach it. I'll go around this. We kind of double. What these do is they open up like a alligator mouth, and Delia will show you how she does this. And we can do any adjusting a little bit later on. So you put that on there, and she's going to alligator clip it.
And you can kind of see them when they snap on.
Yeah. You feel it, don't you?
Yeah.
All right, let me grab this. We'll go back to the other side. And I got to throw the ball to Delia one more time. See if I can make it a... Oh, I didn't go far enough, did I? Tennis ball inside of the sock is the way to go. I got that one, didn't I? Okay. Pull a little bit. Keep pulling. Actually, that's, there we go. There you go. Up. All right, pull it your way. Got to walk her to the back of the garage, the back of the building. Oh, I think we're about right. Delia's gonna do this.
If you have long nails, you're gonna lose them.
Need a screwdriver? Yeah. There you go. I'll let you double it up. And just clamshell it. Yep. This side, they didn't want to take too much because this is the west side, which is going to get more sun than the other. So your south exposure and your west exposure are the two big ones. We're missing one there. Yeah, we're gonna have to get a few more. Let me go ahead and pull this down for Delia. There we go. Yep, we just got them attached to our eye bolts. Okay, well, we're missing a couple of the clips on there, but it looks nice. Oh yeah, we got more string out here, Delia. Yeah, and she's going to lower the curtain down. Let's go on inside, and it feels different right away, don't it, Delia? When you get into the sun, it just feels different. Now, believe it or not, a lot of the plants will actually get a little darker green because they get sun scorched in here without it.
It's already dropped 2 degrees.
So it's 78 or
no, it's 86.
It's 86. It was 88. So just like that, we did nothing but put a shade cloth over the front. But yeah, it makes a total difference. 50% shade cloth. That's really the secret to great tomatoes, great bell peppers. Wouldn't you agree, Delia?
Definitely bell peppers.
Yeah, definitely bell peppers. It makes a difference on it. It allows us to grow some plants that enjoy 80 degrees for their high. And here in Kansas, well, in many places, even in Michigan and that, they've had to fight the 80-degree temperature, so, or above 80. So when you get to that time of year, believe me, having that 50% shade, your plants are going to be a lot happier. So, very good. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, folks. Like always, hit that like and subscribe. Come grow with us.